With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, let's discuss this question. Most of the cartilages in vertebrate embryo are replaced in adult by. Our options are blood, bones, tendons or ligaments. So here we are talking about cartilages, which are specialized type of dense connective tissue, specialized type of dense connective tissue which is generally found in the vertebrate embryo. So what happens that the greater part of the skeleton of an embryo consists of cartilage which is later on replaced by bones during development. So if we talk about the skeleton of an embryo, it consists of majorly cartilages which is replaced by bones during the development. This happens because of the deposition of calcium ions around the skeleton, and this process is known as ossification of bones. So if we discuss the options, first option says that cartilages are replaced by blood, which is incorrect. Second option is bones, which is correct. Third option is tendons, which is also wrong. And the last option is ligaments, which is again incorrect. So the answer will be B, that is bones. Thank you, students.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.